Hello, this is the walkthrough for Verana's unofficial website, which can be found at verana-website-demo.herokuapp.com. It is built with a React front end utilizing Google's Material UI, with a Ruby on Rails backend, which utilizes bcrypt, Postgres SQL base, and an S3 bucket. So let's go through and give you a tour. So this is the homepage. There's a few call to action buttons which work and you can click. We're just going to go through the whole homepage. There's some cards here, just some information on the Verana. We have the projects pictures, and this is worth noting that a lot of these pictures are low resolution due to the pictures that Verana had. They didn't have updated high resolution pictures, and the time span for this project was about 2 weeks, so very limited in that manner. Here's some information regarding Verana. Here's the most two recent website articles posted to this website, and these are links that are working. So if I click that one, it'll take me to constructiondive.com, and then we have another CTA, clients they serve, and a footer. And on the footer, the logo, you can just click that, and it'll take you to the homepage or the top of the homepage. Next is the About Us, and this is similar, just content. Another image banner component, their leadership, and a footer at the bottom. Then there's services, which is some cards. These read more CTAs aren't active yet due to not having enough information. Another image banner. The markets cards, these aren't active CTAs as well yet. So we can go back up here now. And we're going to the fun stuff now. So our work. So this is their projects. This is pulling all this from the Rails backend. So it's categorizing all of the projects into these tabs right here, which we can siphon through. And then you can actually click one of these cards and you can get more information on it, more details. And later at the end, I'll show you how the admin can actually edit these cards and stuff. Go back to our work. And I also want to worth noting that this is responsive. So if I turn this into an iPad right here, you'll see they're all stacked on top of each other now. And I can use that little arrow to siphon through the category types. I can put it on an iPhone 6, 7, and it works on that as well. And that's for all pages are responsive. Next, there's a safety page. This is just content with a few CTAs. And then we have equipment, which is similar to our projects page, except it's equipment for sale. And I'll also show you later how that's edited. There's news, so these are the news articles that the admin can add in. There's different tabs for whatever year it is, and each one of these sends you to a news link. Next, there's careers, and these are just linked to their applicant stack software that they use for applications. So if I opened one, it'll open up the application. And then there's a contact us, so we'll just fill in some details. It validates the email as well. Make sure it's a email, and we'll just put in some content. So that sends it to the backend, and the backend utilizes an SMTP. It's a tongue twister. SMTP server for Gmail, and it mails it to the account that is registered that I have the admin have access to. So the admin can log in here. And that's using bcrypt authentication. And you'll see they have a new menu right here. They have 4 tabs. All these tabs are the same. That's add, edit, delete. We'll just do news. So we'll go to add news. We'll name this test 1. Google is going to be our source. And then we'll just put in a random date in the future because I want to show you something. And then we can choose to upload an image, or we have to. If we don't, as you can see, I can't press this button. So we'll go here and upload it. It'll take a few seconds to upload. So while it's uploading, it's actually React's taking in the photo, sending it to the Rails backend, which is then sending it to an S3 bucket on Amazon after connecting to Amazon AWS. And then it's taking, once it uploads to AWS, it's generating an object URL, which is used to access the image, which it then sends to the Postgres database where it stores the news article in this case. And then that's pulled when you go to the news page. See the 2025 tabs created now. And the photo will take a few seconds to load. There's not pre-image loading quite yet. And you'll notice if you hit the read more, it'll take you to the URL we entered in. And so now we can edit it. So let's say we don't want to type all that information, so we just select test one, and boom, it'll actually autofill everything in, except the image. If you choose to enter in a field here, it'll replace the image. If you choose to do nothing, it'll just keep the current image. So we'll just edit it. Or before I go there, you'll notice it updates right here. I'll just confirm that by going to the news, oops, 225, and test 2. Now let's say we want to delete that story because that story is not significant anymore. So we'll delete it. It's not available in our list here anymore, so it must not be available here, which it is not. 2025 is gone. And so you can do the same with projects. You can go through and fill all this information out and do 3 images. And bullet points, which is kind of cool, is you just do a hyphen. You'll say like bullet 1, bullet 2, and it's actually going to generate those bullets on the preview pages or on the show page as we saw earlier. So if we go to edit and we pull up, which one was that we did? Ameri Star Casinos, so it'll populate all the information that was filled in. You'll see there's the bullet points already organized. And so now what we can do is we can go ahead and log out. It'll take us to the sign-in page. We go to the home, and that is the Varana, unofficial Varana website, and this was a walkthrough for it. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to me on LinkedIn or through my GitHub. I have my email listed on my profile page. Thank you.